Chop. Cut into small pieces. She is chopping onions into small pieces. Dice. Cut into small cubes. He is dicing potatoes into small cubes. Bake. Cook in an oven. She is baking a loaf of bread. Boil. Cook in boiling water. I am boiling pasta for dinner. Fry. Cook in hot oil. She is frying tofu until golden brown. Grill. Cook on a grill. He is grilling vegetables for the salad. Marinate. Soak in sauce. I am marinating tofu for the stir-fry. Roast. Cook in an oven. She is roasting the bell peppers. Sauté. Cook quickly in oil. He is sautéing mushrooms and spinach. Simmer. Cook gently in liquid. I am simmering the tomato sauce. Steam. Cook with steam. She is steaming the broccoli until tender. Stir-fry. Cook by stirring in oil. He is stir-frying the mixed vegetables. Whisk. Beat or stir rapidly. I am whisking the eggs until fluffy. Knead. Press or massage dough. She is kneading the bread dough. Blend. Mix until smooth. He is blending the smoothie ingredients. Peel. Remove outer skin. I am peeling the potatoes for the soup. Grate. Shred into small pieces. She is grating the cheese for the pasta. Season. Add spices. He is seasoning the vegetable stew. Caramelize. Cook until brown. She is caramelizing the onions for the soup. Broil. Cook under high heat. He is broiling the bell peppers. Bread. Coat with breadcrumbs. She is breading the zucchini slices. Braise. Cook slowly in liquid. He is braising the vegetables. Sear. Cook quickly with heat. I am searing the tofu on both sides. Fold. Mix gently. She is folding the whipped cream into the batter. Glaze. Coat with a glossy layer. He is glazing the cinnamon rolls. Julienne. Cut into thin strips. She is julienning the carrots for the salad. Poach. Cook in simmering liquid. He is poaching the eggs gently. Puree. Blend into a smooth paste. I am pureeing the tomato soup. Scald. Heat to just below boil. She is scalding the milk for the custard. Skewer. Pierce with a stick. He is skewering the vegetable kebabs. Sprinkle. Scatter over food. I am sprinkling herbs over the salad. Zest. Scrape out or peel. She is zesting the lemon for the dressing. Toast. Brown by direct heat. He is toasting the bread slices. Deglaze. Dissolve bits with liquid. I am deglazing the pan with vegetable broth. Ferment. Allow to ferment. I am fermenting the cabbage for kimchi. Blanch. Briefly boil. She is blanching the tomatoes. Garnish. Decorate food. She is garnishing the soup with cilantro. Sift. Pass through a sieve. He is sifting the flour for the cake. Score. Make shallow cuts. I am scoring the bread dough. Scallop. Bake with sauce in layers. She is scalloping the potatoes. Brew. Infuse in hot water. I am brewing the tea for 3 minutes. Whip. Beat until fluffy. She is whipping the cream until stiff. Mince. Cut into very small pieces. He is mincing the garlic for the sauce. Mix. Combine ingredients. I am mixing the batter thoroughly. Measure. Determine quantity. She is measuring the ingredients accurately. Layer. Arrange in layers. He is layering the burger with tomato, sauce, and cheese. Melt. Heat until liquid. I am melting the butter in the pan. Roll. Flatten with a rolling pin. She is rolling the dough thinly. Pluck. Remove feathers. He is plucking herbs from the garden. Drizzle. Pour in a thin stream. I am drizzling olive oil over the salad.